Hello first graders. We are going to be creating our final draft of our line flowers. So if you remember, we started off with several small centers for flowers going across our paper, and our paper is horizontal. So as we add these little wavy petals and we just keep going around and around, eventually they're going to get large enough that we're going to create a stem, some leaves, and maybe even some thorns on these flowers. And then you're going to get creative with how you choose to color them. So I've got this one almost ready. And then I'll move to the next. Okay, so now I'm going to come over here and work on this guy. And as you get these created, you are just going to make a base of the flower, which would be green. And I'll show you how to do that here in just a moment. So hopefully you've enjoyed learning this style of flower. I know that it was a little different than what we're used to, but I think it's interesting, and I think it is fun to draw. So after you have all of your flowers created, we're going to create a base by bringing down 2 diagonal lines from the flower itself, and then we're going to start the stem. Okay, stems on flowers are usually pretty thin, so you don't want to leave a ton of space between your 2 lines. I try to keep mine pretty small and tucked in there. As far as the flower leaves, you can do whatever kind you want. I like to put a dot out, and that kind of helps me figure out where I want. So if I want to do kind of a jaggedy leaf, I can. If I want to create a rounded leaf, I can. If I want to create lots of little petal looking leaves, I can. There is no right or wrong to the way that you create your leaves. So after you have this finished, I want you to make a decision. I want you to choose to color either your flowers or your background. If you choose to color your background, you're going to be leaving your flowers white and black. If you choose to color your flowers, you're going to choose how you want to color them. Do you want to make them rainbow where each little petal is a different color? Do you want to make the whole flower one color? It's up to you. Now, there's always a third choice, and that would be finishing this project the way that you want. Do you want to do the background and the flowers? What could be going on in the background? Where are your flowers located? Where are they growing? Remember, you will need a horizon line in your picture and a sky that comes all the way down to the horizon line. I hope you have a great time finishing this picture, and I can't wait to see it. Please upload a photo of your work into the media album for me to see.